Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add cinematic ambient sound effects in CapCut to make your videos more immersive and cinematic. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and tap a new project. Then here, select your video and tap it to the timeline. Next, you can go to the audio. Tap audio at the bottom and here you'll see the three options like sound, effects, and extracted. Tap Sounds and search for cinematic effects. In the effects library, search for keywords like cinematic, ambient, atmosphere, or wind, rain, forest, city, sci-fi, tension, and you can tap the sound effect and preview it. Then tap download button if needed. Then tap the chosen sound effect and select, then add it under your video track. Drag the effect to align with the scene where you want it. You can also layer multiple effects for richer sound and adjust the volume and duration. Tap on the sound effects and adjust volume and blend it to the main audio. You can extend or trim the sound effects to match the clip's length. And you can go back to the audio and click sound or cinematic and choose a background track. Lower the music volume slightly so the ambient effect stands out. And that's it. You've successfully added a cinematic ambient sound effects in CapCut. Now your edits will feel more professional and dramatic. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.